in the deep road. You can find me in the club. Bottle full of gold, but mommy, I got that in the
but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. When gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hey YouTube, it's Des. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, stop what you're doing and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you are been rocking with me, then welcome back. So as you guys can see from the title, we are getting ready to go to a party. My friend's mom is having a birthday party and I am running behind. So this is a get ready with me in 30 minutes. It is currently 6:28. And as soon as 6:30 hits, I'm going to get started and see if I can do my hair. I may not be able to take my twist out. I may have to finesse something with this hairdo. Hair, my nails aren't done, y'all, but I may have to scratch that too. Hair, makeup, and I got to get in the shower. And I need to brush my teeth and stuff. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so here is the outfit. I don't know what shoes I'm about to put on, so let's get in this shower.
I wanna be down.
Okay, guys, so I just got out the shower, but this is already a fail, y'all, because 30 minutes is crazy. I don't know what I was thinking. It's already 6:42, so that was a 12-minute shower, but you know how to brush my teeth and stuff, so yeah, so I'm about to get my clothes on and get to this hair and makeup. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I got most of my outfit on. I'm just about to throw this on over it to just dress up a little bit. Y'all, you know. Oh, these are some jeans that I got from a sponsorship. It's on my shorts. They are so cute and so comfy, y'all. Don't mind my little, you know, your girl ain't always flat, but they real cute. And I love that they got like the little pockets or whatever. So anyway, so yeah, so I got my clothes on. We're gonna wear some daisy tonight because I just feel like spring needs to be here. I'm tired of being cold. So yeah. This angle is not the best angle, y'all, so I do apologize, okay? So let's just start with putting some lotion on the face before I put some makeup on. And y'all, this is my favorite makeup. This is my favorite lotion from the Dollar Tree. It is Be Pure Moisturizing Lotion. I be literally using this for everything. So yeah, so let me just, I did my legs and my arms already, but y'all know I'm rushing. Okay, so y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do, I don't think I'm gonna be able to take these out. Yeah, it's not given that I'm gonna be able to do that at all. So I'm about to put some oil on here because you know, you gotta take, when you take twists out, you have to really take your time. And I'm actually filming a short for these twists. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna pin them up like so. I'm gonna do my edges, y'all. I'm going to keep it real simple. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I got to make sure that this is even, I got to make sure this is even an option. Is this going to be an option? Let me see. Because y'all know, sometimes this might not even be no option. Let me see how it look. Okay. I think it'll be fine. Let me pin it up, and then we're going to get to doing this makeup. Okay, so I got that done. I got it up in a ponytail a little bit. So we just gonna do these edges real quick. Y'all, you know edges be making every hairstyle look better. I ain't no person that like dramatic edges. I ain't got into that yet. Hopefully this phase will be actually gone. But I like the baby hairs. Hopefully it'll disappear. Cause y'all know we used to do these back in the day. But they used to be looking a mess. They ain't look as cute as they look now because we ain't know what we was doing. But, because I just used to put them things flat, like straight. I ain't do the little, y'all see how it's like, I ain't do all that. And right now I'm rushing, so it really look crazy for real. But we just gonna make it do what it do, baby. Hold on, let me get that one. That little bit of edge. Y'all, my house is looking so crazy. I worked all day today. That's why I'm so late getting to this event. It started at 6, but I'm about to get there. My mom is already there with her friend. So, yeah, she just texted me like, where you at, girl? I'm like, getting dressed. She's like, what? Yeah, I had to work on a Saturday, but that's okay. All right, hair is done. Y'all see it? I said this angle is real crazy. Okay, now let me get to this face, and then, yeah. Okay, y'all, so we about to do this makeup. Y'all, I came across this at CVS for like $1. It was on sale. And Wet n Wild, I thought that it was going to like break me out or something. But it is so bomb. And then I love this stick. Look at this stick, y'all. So I can get this done like super quick. Whew, y'all, I'm tired. I've been running up and down anything on stairs. Whew, not to mention all that the girl had to go through at work today. But that's okay. That's okay. At least I got a job, you know? At least your girl got work. That's a blessing. So I ain't gonna complain too much because okay. Let me see. Okay. Y'all, I just hate when I do my like edges already and then I have to put makeup on. It kind of don't make sense. I feel like you should do your makeup and then your hair. That's what it's giving because then I got to go back over it. I don't even think I can do my, oh my God, y'all. I don't think I can do my, what you call it? I don't think I can do my, I hate this little mark, y'all. This right here, I fell. Woo, I'll never forget it. I fell right outside of my school, chasing some little boy, and slipped and fell. I was like in the 2nd grade, and that little dark mark is so ugly. Whew, the things we do as kids. Okay. So that's that. I'm about to put some mascara on. Y'all know this is real rushed. Let me make sure I close this. Because my baby will be... She don't really get into stuff, but she... You know, kids are curious, so I don't want her in here trying to think she about to be doing no makeup or nothing. And think she about to play with it. Because she is real girly and she watch her mama, so she know what to do with that thing. Okay, y'all. They looking all right? Hold on, y'all. This part. I need to get me another mascara. I really like this better than Sex. But, not this one, but the one that I had. But I ran out of that one. I got so many, but, y'all, most of my stuff is in storage. That's why I ain't got on the wear. That's why I ain't got, I don't have any shoes to wear, for real. None of that, because literally everything is in storage. I got these lashes, y'all, but I'm not even about to do all of that. I'm just about to put a lippy on. I do need to do my, what you call it? My lips or whatever. But I'm going to do that in the car, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Oh, let me tell y'all what time it is. Hold on. Hold on. Your girl might have made it. It is 6:52, y'all. And although I ain't looking the best and I ain't the prettiest tonight, I still think I did good. And, yeah, your girl is ready. I'm about to go throw on my coat. I'm probably just going to wear this, but then just bring my big coat for, like, when I get out. Wear this, and put my shoes on. I'm going to do my lippy in the car, and I'll see you guys when we get to this party. Woo! Okay, y'all, made it in the car. And got the gifts over there. I need to do some of these brows. They look they don't look too bad, but they look a little shabby. I don't know. So I'm about to try to fix them real quick in this car because I don't be liking them to be so thin like that. And y'all, it's dark out here. I don't need to be sitting in no car, no driveway. But a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. Period. That's cool, right, y'all? What it look like? I think it look good. All right, hold on. That's why I keep this in my car, y'all, because if y'all eyebrows is put together, like, barely, and you put a little bit of effort into your lashes, you'll be good. I ain't even got a lot of makeup on. I still look cute, period. All right, so, I don't know what my mama talking about. Something about she got a surprise for me and all this stuff. Girl, better be some money. No, I'm just playing. But, yeah, they waiting on me. So, let me get to the party, and I'll see you guys in a minute.
And what he's done for me on Calvary is more than enough. And I trust in God, he will never fail. Oh, I trust in God, oh my Savior, the one who will never, never, never fail. Ain't no holding.
I can't get enough of you, but I got the store. It's all of yours. I just want more. I can't get enough of you.
Circle around the birthday girl. Let's get in there. Make a circle around the birthday girl. You can find me in the club. Bottle full of gold, but mommy, I got that in the
Okay, guys, so I made it back home. Your girl is tired, okay? I danced, okay? It was a time. Oh, happy 60th birthday to my other mom, Deb. We had a really good time at her birthday party. It was lit, for sure. Ate good, and I just feel good. So we had a really good time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To get ready with me in 30 minutes was a success, because your girl definitely did that. Yeah. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of these videos. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.